Okay, today I am with Antonio. I don't know if you can see him. Eccolo qua, tac. And Mohammed. And we are on a boat again for fishing. Antonio owns a business, and he take people for fishing here in Chania. And yeah, basically we are in the middle of the ocean, and this is a fun day fishing. Tomorrow I'm gonna make something better. I'm gonna use my phone to record it. Today I was fishing. Antonio just came out, say, "Hey, you wanna fish with me?" I say, "Okay," and I jump on the boat. And now we are. What is called this area?
Marathi area in Crete, Chania, Crete, Marathi area.
Here we are in Marathi, and we're gonna move again to find a new spot for the fishing. You can see here from the fishing radar. So here is the fishing radar.
Yes, the fish reader, and it's the first tool where we like to fishing targets, fishes, big fishes.
Okay,
Okay. This is the bottom.
okay, of the sea.
This is the spots,
Okay,
and I'm going near in the spots to find a fish.
all right.
This is small. It's small fishes
Okay,
near.
we are going for something big.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. I like it.
So,
Antonio is not joking. Antonio is going only for big fish, megalo.
and we do all the day fishing nets with a professional boat.
All right, all right.
All day in the sea.
Every day, every day.
Every day with my friend.
How long have you been doing this?
This I do it, this kind of fishing for 25 years.
25 years.
This kind of fishing.
All right. And how old are you?
I am 50.
50. So basically Antonio did half of his life
Yeah.
doing this. So let's say that he's got a little bit of experience.
Well, now we see something there. This is my line,
Okay.
and now start going to the spots,
All right.
going inside.
Mohammed, meya meya wala fakiga meya. Daxi.
Bravo, bravo.
I used to live in Egypt, so
Yeah?
yeah.
You speak?
No, a little bit.
Lid. Bravo.
And as you can see, today is cloudy. The landscape is really freaking stunning. Look at that. Look at that.
It was very windy those
Days, yes, I saw.
days, but now gonna be, I think, better
All right.
for one day.
Tomorrow should be good weather. I check it. Tomorrow and after tomorrow.
Said so, yeah.
Yeah, I check the weather too every day. Here we got big Suzuki engine. Suzuki is not sponsoring the video, but I hope they can give me a Suzuki Jimny.
I paid.
How much an engine like this cost?
It's
The-
about 17,000, 17.
Wow, the big one.
Yes, it's 100, 150.
Wow, that's good. And the small one?
It's 5.
All right.
I use it for not for the noise.
And for a small movement.
And the small, yeah.
All right. We are gonna move again.
Yes.
And as they say, more looking, less fishing.
Yes, looking for to find the fishes.
The most important part is look for it.
The first to find the fishes. The second, the fishes to eat.
Yeah.
If they don't eat,
If there are no baits,
yeah.
we have to move, because if there is no activity, no action, it's better to move.
Yes.
Here we are at 60-meter depth, roughly, about 60-meter depth. There was a snapper close by, but we couldn't pick it up, so we're gonna move again.
Oh.
The sea is a bit rough today. As you can see, it's a bit rough. but we're gonna catch a fish today. We're gonna catch one, a big one. Yeah.
We make one to try, and if not, we go.
All right. So today we had no luck. No luck today. Now we are heading back.
But we have a good friendship.
We had good time, good friendship, and amazing view.
Hey, Mohammed?
Hello, Mohammed, Tikanis.
Okay.
Now we're gonna go back.
Tomorrow morning we see other things.
Tomorrow morning we go for the commercial fishing.
Commercial fishing together. Good time.
Now we're gonna test the big engine, the big Suzuki engine.
Oh.
Okay, the captain is ready.
No.
And now we're gonna check the big Suzuki engine. Wow. Fucking hell, man. I have to say the Suzuki engine is worth it every penny. Oh my god. Wow. We are basically flying on the water. They're going really, really fast. You can see from the splash of the water. Capitan Antonio, I have to say we went really fast, really fast. Other people are fishing here. we basically got back in no time. How fast we were on the water?
About 40 miles per hour.
40 in kilometer?
70
Wow!
something.
70 kilometers per hour on the water is not a joke. We were fast. We were really fast. Other people are going out fishing. I hope they got good luck. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Tomorrow the second part. Antonio?
Bye bye. Tomorrow morning together.
Mohammed? Bye bye.
Bye bye.